Now that you learned how to use methods within objects, let's practice with a different example, a contact book. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. Const contact book is an object with a list of contacts. And then add contact will be a function that takes two arguments, name and phone, and it will push an object with name and phone to these contacts. And let's also console log contact name has been added. Now to list contacts, let's first check if this contact's length is 0. And in that case, let's console log your contact list is empty, and then return to prevent further code execution if the list is empty using the early return. And if the contact list is not empty, let's console log your contacts and this contacts for each, an object with a name and phone, and here distracting is used directly in the for each loop within list contacts to access name and phone, making the code cleaner. And then also let's use the index and let's console log index plus 1, name and phone. Now let's find a contact. So this will be a function that takes an argument name, and then const contact is this contact's find a contact where contact name is equal to name. And let's use the ternary operator here to decide what to print to the console. So contact, ternary operator. If the contact is found, let's console log contact name and contact phone. And if contact is not found, let's print a message, contact name is not found. And let's test it. So contact book list contacts is empty for now. So let's add some contacts. Contact book, add contact Alice and some number. Contact book, add contact Bob and some number. Now, let's list contacts again. This time we have 2 contacts. And finally, let's check if we can find a contact in our list. So contact book, find contact Alice, should find and display Alice, and contact book, find contact Charlie, should not be found and display a not found message.